Hi you guys, it's me here, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you guys are returning, you know you guys are awesome. Today's video is going to be a look using the Aha Honey color pop palette along with one other shade from the Laura Lee singles to create this look here. I am ready for fall. I have never been so much. I am ready. Okay, I am so ready. I live in a humid climate and I am so ready for the humidity to be bye-bye. Halloween is coming up, so I can't wait to try some Halloween looks. So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I achieve this look, stay tuned and let's get started with the video. I'm going to be using a brown out of the Laura Lee right here in that palette. And then the rest is going to be with this. So I'm going to start with a large fluffy brush, and I'm going to grab the shade Stinger, which is the palest shade in the Color Pop palette. I'm just going to use that as my base. After that shade is laid down, I'm going to go in with Sweet Pot, which is the brightest yellow neon shade that they have in the palette. Same brush, and I'm just taking that slightly below the brow bone. Now with the same large blending brush, I'm going to go into the shade Oh Behave, which is the dark mustard yellow in the palette, but I'm going to take that slightly lower than where I just placed the last color. Trying to do a gradient effect. Now I'm going to take the shade Buzzkill. I'm going to start laying that down in the crease area. Now switching into the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette that I showed you earlier, I'm going to go into that dark chocolate brown. And I'm just going to use that to further add dimension on my inner and outer corner. Now we're going to go in with a flat brush and the Oh Honey palette. And we're going to go in with Dandy. I'm going to use that for the center of my lid. Let's see. Oh my God. That's not wet either. That's dry, you guys. On that same flat brush, I'm going to go in to the color Buzzkill, which is the darkest shade in the Aha Honey palette, just to help with the gradient that I want to create. So now that the gradient's down, I'm just going to go back in with that dark brown from the Laura Lee palette. Just to emphasize the inner and outer corners a little bit more, because I kind of lost it when adding the lighter brown shade. So I've done the base makeup, and now I'm going to finish the bottom lash line. I'm going to go in with the Oh Honey palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Sweet Pot. Now in my waterline, I'm going to take the ColourPop Gel Cream Gel Eyeliner in the shade Dirty Talk. I'm going to pop that in my waterline. Now to add some added pop, I'm going to take with my pinky the Glitter Palooza and just dab that on the center of my lid. Really quick, I'm gonna put on mascara and some lashes and I will be right. Alright, so I finished up the eyes. I added a little wing. I did the lashes. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Kylie True Brown K shade. Now for setting spray, so this is the final look. So if you guys like this video, if you guys like this look, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you guys are ready to transition from summer to fall. I love warm tones, and I know yellows and oranges go really well, but they're still summery, so you know, why not make the most of it? Soon it's gonna be Halloween, so get ready for some Halloween looks. I'm super excited. I've never really done Halloween looks before, so this is gonna be totally new for me when I do it. And if you guys haven't already, I don't know what you guys are thinking, but sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Hit that notification bell. That way you guys will be notified of any future content. And you know I will catch you guys in my next video.